Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to view your Renaissance dental payment history. We will also put links in the description below for low-cost dental insurance plans for you to check out. Also, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss out our future videos. Now, let's get started. Open the website, renaissancebenefits.com. At the top right part, you will see an option for Ren Member Portal. Click on Ren Member Portal. Next, log in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the upper part of the page. Click on the option that says Payment. At the left part of this page, you will see two tabs. Click on the Payment History tab. And now you will see your payment history at the bottom part of the screen. You could also search for the particular date of the payment by just entering the start and end date, or search by year from the list provided. And that's how you view your Renaissance dental payment history. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.